This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by going straight to the home screen. Long press an empty area to open the Wallpaper and Widgets panel. You need to do this because widgets are added from that menu, not from settings. Once the widget list appears, scroll to Clock or your Clock app widget category and hold the widget to pick it up. Make sure you see different sizes. That choice affects what information shows and how it fits on your layout. You drag the selected Clock widget onto the home screen and find the best spot. This is important for visibility and widget stacking. Once placed, if the widget supports resizing, grab the edges and adjust width or height so it aligns with icons. After resizing, tap the widget to open its configuration. Some clocks let you change time zone, theme, or complications. This step customizes what you see and keeps the display consistent with your wallpaper. You finish by verifying the clock displays the correct time and agreed time zone. Incorrect time usually means a system setting or widget cache issue. If the widget is blank or stuck, remove it and re-add it, then clear the Clock app cache and app settings to force a refresh. If problems persist, make sure the app has permissions and restart your phone. This often resolves background update glitches. Finally, once it's
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.